Okay, so today I got something to show you. It's a stainless steel mesh fireplace. Look how portable it is. It weighs about 1.5 pounds and you can take it anywhere, even backpacking. So I'm going to show you this thing. This thing has a lot of pluses, and I'm going to show you them in this video. Kind of remember how it goes back. Now this is the fire. This holds the fire right here, and it looks like, actually it feels kind of thick, but people have used this thing for years and it hasn't burned through, and they do sell replacements for this. So I'm gonna figure out how to do this. I don't imagine it'll be too hard. I seen a guy do a review on this the other day, and I said, okay, I want this thing. And then I figured, okay, I need 3 videos, let's do it. Oh, this is kind of easy. Yeah, pretty easy to set up. He was saying it's very finicky to set up. Well, I found that pretty easy. Now I assume this goes in like this, and that clamps into there, I think. Maybe not. Oh, I get it. Yeah, just hooks on like that. Actually very easy to set up. I thought the way he was talking, he said it was finicky. I thought it was going to be like some crazy, like those chairs you got to try to figure out. Okay. And they do give you one extra one in case you lose it. This is it. Now, I got another one. It's actually a tripod that you can cook over it. So this thing, let me see here. This thing you could just bring anywhere, and you got a fire going. You can you could actually carry it, because supposedly the fire and ashes and coals do not go through the bottom of this thing. So you could kind of place this anywhere. You could get out of the truck on the side of the road and have a little picnic. and just have a fire going, and all the ashes are going to stay on here. And so then you could just dump it when you're done, and then boom, that's it. Another thing is that this thing, air comes at it from every direction, so it will burn really quick. So the fuel will burn really quick, but the bonus of that is that there won't be much smoke either. So let's get a fire going. Okay. So I had to come to the gorge because that's the only spot I know that I can make an open fire in this city. Looking at this mesh, you just think that the fire might just burn right through it, but they're saying it lasts years. This thing is pretty gold, man. Even for your backyard. I'm going to leave a link below in the comments or below the video for if you want to buy these things. I'm guessing was 3, so I'm guessing after 2, let's put this on. Maybe that will fall. Have to go above that. Okay. Trying to figure out the puzzle here. I think I got it. These things got like a thick end and a small end. So obviously you got to stick it through the small end so it slides to the thick end. So this is pretty easy too. Looks kind of intimidating when you first open it up, but it's pretty easy to figure out. Once you figure it out, you got it for good. And the bottom has amazing. This one comes in a smaller pack. It's got more pieces to it, it seems. bottom has a little spike on it for sticking in the ground. Okay. Now this thing here, you can set the height of your pot. Now isn't this thing cool? Like 22 bucks. And you got a fire pit you could take anywhere, and you could cook food with this thing. Like especially places you can't make a fire, there's no fire pit. And yeah, I think it's a pretty good device. And it packs up so small, right? Like a pound. I'm just going to let this thing burn down. Then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so this is almost done. I'm just going to pour it out. If you notice, nothing underneath it. Not one thing. So I'm just going to dump it here. You can see it. This is stainless steel, so like already it's cool to the touch. Already. The heat just amazing. If you look underneath it, and it's still pretty strong. So so what do you think? Anyways, I love it. I'm sure you will. I got the link for both of these in the description below the video if you're interested in getting this thing. It's only 25 bucks. Like you can't beat it. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.